In this video, we talk about UltraPic, a browser-based AI photo tool that promises pro-level results for free for e-commerce sellers, YouTuber creators, and product photographers. This could be a big deal, but is it actually that good? Let's find out. So first, what is UltraPic? The idea is you upload a photo of your product, then you can remove the background, generate a new background with AI, restore old images, apply templates, and download a high-resolution output. If you sell in Amazon, Shopify, your image are everything. A clean white background, sharp edges, good lighting, that stuff converts. UltraPic claim to give you that without the need of Photoshop or high-end software. So let's talk tools. I broke them down into main features that stood out. AI background remover, which you simply upload your image, and in seconds the background is gone, leaving your subject on a blank or choosing backdrop. AI background generator, if you don't just want a white background or blank, you can generate a background by or use even a template. You can inspire from other photos, or you can also use a prompt to generate a photo for you or background for that object. You can edit the photo and even upscale it 2 times for better details and true textures and higher resolution. On the website, there is no ads, no watermarks, no paywalls for features, totally free for business. They give you a resource library, background, and photo tips for product shooters. So in summary, it's aimed at people who want fast, polished product images for online selling without the diving into complex photo editing software. So the bottom line, UltraPic is a very solid free tool for photo editing in the products e-commerce space. If you are looking for speed and simplicity, it's absolutely worth checking out. If you find this review useful, drop a like, comment what tools you use for the product photography, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.